Now if you see, our pasta is also ready. It is nice and cooked. Tell daddy or to pick this up and close the gas. This is very hot, children. You have to stand behind, not near this. You see, it's very hot. You put some water on it to cool it down. Okay, we will let this remain here for some time till it cools down and go back to our bread pizza. Okay, by now the bread pizza should have been done. Yes, the cheese has melted very nicely. You see this? The cheese has melted very nicely. We can take this and put it. You see, it is so nice and crispy. I'll show you. I'll cut one piece and show you. See, you can tell somebody to take a knife. You can see the crispy sound also. See? See? Wow, so nice. Now we are going to cut it into 4 pieces. Even the second one. Okay, now we're going to take a nice plate and decorate the plate with these small bread pizza which we have made. Who all have finished? Let me see. Who all have finished? Wow, very nice. Now, you see, this was oregano I told you, which you get with the pizza box. I'm putting a little bit of oregano on top of it. Okay. Wow, see, so beautiful. So our bread pizza is ready. I'll just keep it aside. I'll keep this aside and we will finish our pasta also now. Okay, we have come back to our pasta. You see, this is on a slow flame. It is still boiling. Okay. See, this is still boiling. So the sauce is not ready. What we'll do is, now children, you can go back, take the cheese. You remember the cheese what we had taken? The normal cheese. We will grate the cheese now. Okay, you can grate the cheese like this with a grater. Okay, see, I'm sure everybody likes more cheese. So even I'm going to put more cheese in the pasta sauce. Okay, fantastic. Now this much cheese is enough. I'm going to take this mountain of cheese and put it in the pasta sauce. See, the pasta sauce has already started to become a little thick. See, a little thick it will become. Now, once I put the cheese inside, it will become more thicker. Okay, we put the cheese. Wow. And we will mix it very nicely. Remember, the gas is still very slow. It is not high at all. Let the cheese melt. Once it melts, we'll just taste it a little to see if the salt is proper. Okay, we'll take 1 spoon and see if the salt is proper. Remember, the gas is still slow. The gas should not be fast. It's very nice. Needs a little bit more of salt. So we'll put a little bit more of salt, not too much, and a little bit of pepper. Okay. Now this is more or less done. If you see, this has become nice and thick. I'll show you with a spoon. Okay, you see this. See how thick it has become? See, it is coating the spoon. So it has become nice and thick. Now I will put the pasta which we had boiled. Okay, you remember this pasta now? Yes, perfect. We will put this pasta in the sauce. Put it very slowly, otherwise the pasta will break. Yeah, and mix nicely. Remember, the gas is still slow. The gas is not fast. Okay. Now, since this is mixed properly, now we will put the gas on a little high heat for just 30 seconds, not more. Only 30 seconds. See this? This we are doing so that the cream and the pasta both mix together nicely. You see, it's so nice and thick. Okay. Now it has started to boil. If you see, I will put it on slow once again. On a slow flame just for another 30 seconds. Okay. I think the pasta is really nice and thick. It's come out very well. Okay. We will close the gas and put the pasta in a bowl. We've taken a bowl where we'll put the pasta. Yeah, so pasta is ready. If you want, we can put boiled corn on this. We can put spinach on this. We can put other vegetables also on this. But I know everybody likes cheese. So I am going to put a little bit of cheese as a garnish on top. And a little bit of basil leaves and oregano. See, it is so nice and simple. So now we have our pasta which is ready, and we have our bread pizza also which is ready. Okay guys, now I want to see who all has made it. Very nice. A few of you all have made it. Fantastic. But we also need to taste. So let me call somebody to taste what we have made. Okay. Wow. It looks so delicious. Fantastic. All the kiddies and daddies, what a wonderful job. Beautiful. Now I'll show you one more thing. See, his name is Rudransh. He is my son. Now he's going to taste and tell me how it is, okay? So can you tell us, you taste one piece and say it. How is this pizza bread?
Normal and nice.
Nice?
Yeah, it's nice.
You want more?
I'm having one bite.
Good. You want to taste the pizza also?
No.
The pasta? Yes.
Yes.
Okay, I'll give you the pasta. It's a little hot. So you can taste the pasta a little. It's very hot. Okay. I'm just giving you 1 spoon so you can taste. It's hot?
That's actually very hot, so. Yeah.
Okay. We'll cool it and then give you another slice. Okay, guys. Wow. So now this is beautiful. I can see Brijesh. I can see Aizaha. Wow, beautiful. And who else? Let me see. Very nice. You turn on your camera. Anybody who's not turned on the camera, you can turn on and show us how you have made it. Fantastic. So, children, I hope you like to make food, and today on Mother's Day, you should take this to mommy and tell her that you have made it with daddy's help. And next time also, when at least once in a week, you should go to the kitchen and you and your daddy should make food so mommy can take 1 day holiday. And next time, if you want to learn anything, do remember me. Okay? So I'm signing off for now. Bye bye and hope you liked the cooking.